Klaviyo Email Marketing Tool Review Usage Experience. Links to Klaviyo are in the description below. In this video, I'll be reviewing Klaviyo, one of the most powerful email marketing tools built specifically for e-commerce businesses. Klaviyo stands out for its advanced automation, deep customer segmentation, and seamless integrations with major e-commerce platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and BigCommerce. One of Klaviyo's strongest features is its data-driven approach. It collects and analyzes customer behavior, allowing businesses to create highly targeted and personalized email campaigns. You can set up behavioral triggers to send emails based on actions like cart abandonment, product views, and past purchases. This level of automation helps increase engagement and conversions without constant manual effort. Klaviyo's segmentation capabilities are among the best in the industry. You can create segments based on purchase history, browsing behavior, email engagement, and even predicted customer lifetime value. This allows for hyper-personalized campaigns, ensuring customers receive relevant emails at the right time. The platform also excels in email design and A/B testing. With an intuitive drag-and-drop editor, creating professional-looking emails is easy. Klaviyo also offers pre-built templates optimized for e-commerce. Additionally, A/B testing helps businesses refine their emails by experimenting with subject lines, content, and sending times to improve open and conversion rates. Klaviyo's reporting and analytics are incredibly detailed. The platform provides real-time revenue tracking, showing exactly how much each email campaign generates. You can analyze customer purchase patterns, email performance, and retention metrics, making it easier to refine marketing strategies. Though Klaviyo is feature-rich, it's best suited for businesses that want advanced automation and deep insights rather than just basic email campaigns. Pricing is based on the number of contacts, which makes it scalable but potentially costly for larger lists. However, the ROI potential is significant due to its powerful automation and targeting capabilities. If you're serious about growing your e-commerce business with high-level email marketing, Klaviyo is one of the best choices. Check the links in the description for more details.